Welcome to today's video. We're diving into a unique and charming piece of retro design, a compact camper van that combines vintage aesthetics with practical functionality. Let's start with the exterior. The cream-colored body, accented with yellow and green stripes, gives off a nostalgic vibe that instantly catches the eye. Its compact size makes it perfect for those who want the freedom of the open road without managing a large vehicle. The rounded edges of the van portion blend seamlessly into the caravan, creating a cohesive and stylish look. Moving on to the caravan section, it features a side entry door and a few curtained windows that add a cozy, homey touch. Through the open door, we can glimpse a simple yet inviting interior, complete with a bed setup and warm lighting. This layout is perfect for a relaxing getaway, whether you're in the countryside or parked at a cozy campsite. What makes this camper van even more special is its practicality. Its compact design means you can navigate narrow roads and park in tight spaces, all while having a comfortable living space with you. It's an excellent choice for solo travelers or couples looking to explore the world at their own pace. The scenic backdrop in this image really highlights the versatility of this camper van. Picture yourself parked in a quiet field surrounded by nature, with everything you need right here in this charming vehicle. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. If you'd like to see more reviews like this or want us to explore specific vehicles, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.